I want to start focusing on the sound effects. And there's two parts in this video where I want to add just a simple sound effect. I see this bicycle spinning right here, and I also want to add the sound effect of maybe her taking a picture here. I'm going to bring the playhead right to where I see the visual of the bicycle starting, like right there. And if I hit Option G, it's going to bring up what we like to call the magic marker. So in here is where I can start typing in keywords that best fit the visual to what I'm seeing here. Two words come to mind when I see this scene right here is bicycle and spinning. And now I can just start auditioning. I like that one right there, so I just double click and it instantly goes right onto my timeline. So let's keep moving forward. And right here is where I want to add the sound effect of her taking a picture. And I think I'm going to add it right where I see the font start coming in here, where it says in Final Cut Pro. Put the playhead right there and just hit Option G. Two words I could think of when I'm seeing this is I want a picture and a camera. Again, it'll narrow down our search with sounds that have these matching keywords here. And I could just audition different ones. I'm going to use that one right there. So now we can listen back to it.